Hello everyone! For this video, I'm gonna make a floral coaster. To start with, before pouring resin on the mold, wipe it first with alcohol. This will remove the dust and dirt from the mold. Then, prepare your resin. The resin that I'm using has 2:1 ratio. So I mix the part A and part B resin according to its ratio. Other resin has 3:1, 1:1 ratio. So before using your resin, confirm its ratio first before mixing. For now, I'm gonna let it sit for 6 minutes. After that, think of your design. Arrange the flowers as you want. It's important to think of your design first before pouring your resin. This will serve as your guide in your resin crafting. In this piece, I want a vintage design, so I changed my first arrangement. I chose a white rose and a yellow rose to be the main flowers. I also added muted colors to give it a vintage feel. Then, it's time to pour your resin. Pour it gently, covering every flower and every corner of the mold. As you pour your resin, you will notice that your arrangement will slightly separate from each other. Move the flowers towards each other as close as possible based on your design, because it will spread out slightly when the resin cures. Next is use a lighter or a heat gun to remove the bubbles on your resin. For my coaster, I used a lighter, but I wasn't able to film it. After removing the bubbles, it's now time to wait for 24 hours for your resin to be completely cured. Finally, unmold it. This is the most satisfying and fulfilling part. Now, it's time for you to sit back and relax. Enjoy a cup of tea with these vintage floral coasters. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.